Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate ice cream using a super easy method. You won't need an ice cream maker for this delightful treat. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients, like heavy cream and cocoa. Then, we'll quickly combine them to create a rich, creamy base. Finally, we'll prepare it for freezing, and soon you'll be enjoying a fantastic homemade dessert. It's truly that straightforward and delicious, perfect for any occasion. To begin, ensure your heavy cream is very cold. You'll need 2 cups of it to achieve that wonderfully rich and creamy texture. Next, we'll add 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, which gives our ice cream its deep, authentic hot chocolate flavor. Then, gently fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This provides the perfect sweetness and helps with the no churn consistency. Whisk until it's beautifully light and fluffy. Once your mixture is perfectly combined, it's time to prepare it for freezing. Carefully transfer the entire batch into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Make sure to cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap. This is crucial to prevent any unwanted ice crystals from forming. For the best results, freeze your ice cream for at least 6 hours, or even better, leave it overnight. Stirring every 2 hours during the first 4 hours will enhance its creaminess. After patiently waiting, your delicious hot chocolate ice cream is ready. Before scooping, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften just slightly. This makes it easier to get those perfect scoops. Serve it up in your favorite bowls or cones. Feel free to add some fun garnishes like chocolate shavings, a dollop of whipped cream, or even mini marshmallows for that true hot chocolate experience. This recipe yields approximately 1 quart of amazing ice cream for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.